DriverPack's assistant. Together we will configure your computer so that everything runs well. Checked everything, and I recommend to update out-of-date drivers, to install the missing ones, as well as to test the rest for operability. If you agree, click on the Start Installing. In the least D drivers. Notice that we also suggest several alternative drivers. Thank you for your trust to our software selection. We can guarantee that you won't regret about your choice. Please pay your attention to Opera Browser. By installing it, you will support DriverPack financially and allow our software an opportunity. Sometimes it happens so that the system slows down because of some hidden miners and various malicious software. Do you want to check your system? I will give you the following scheme as a clue. Install a free antivirus, check your system, clean it if something malicious is revealed, and then you can remove it if you like to.